Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make your dough, your pizza dough in your bread machine. This is the Oster, Oster, however you say it. And on page 35 in your book, your recipe book, there's two selections to make the pizza. There's the pizza 1.5 pound and 2 pound. I'm gonna make this one. You need three three-quarter teaspoon of salt, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 3/8 cup of water, 3 tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have. And I'm gonna add my wet ingredients first and then my dry ingredients. Okay, and I'll get started right now. I have 1 cup here of room temperature water. I'm gonna add in here. So I need 1 3/8 cup of water. So I'm gonna add the 3/8 more. This is a measuring cup here also. Okay. So you can just average it also. Okay. Next, I'm gonna add the salt, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. This is a quarter measuring spoon, so I'm gonna add 3 of these. Or you can just average it also, it doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So next I'm gonna add the oil, 3 tablespoons of oil. So I got my tablespoon measurement. This one here. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of oil. I have olive oil here. I'm gonna use the olive oil. So this is 1. So that's 3. Sometimes you don't have to add like the exact amount, depending where you live and the temperature. You can add like a little less or a little more as you make it. You're gonna go along and you're gonna know what you need. Okay, so next we're gonna add the flour in, and then we're gonna add the yeast on the top. So we need 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So I got my cup measurement right here. This is my cup measurement. I'll add 4 cups. I'm using King Arthur's flour here. So that's 1 cup. 4, right? 4. That's 2. 3. And 4. Okay, that's 4 cups of flour in here. Okay, make sure you spread it the wrong way to cover the liquid. So now I'm gonna add the yeast. Okay, we said we needed the yeast is 2 teaspoons. Okay, let me see my teaspoon. Okay, this is teaspoon. This is my teaspoon right here. I'm using this yeast right here. You can use the active dry one, the instant one. I think it's all the same. Two. And I'm gonna cover it a little. If it needs more water while it's mixing, I'll mix it. So now I'm gonna close it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to where it says the dough, number 9. So I'm gonna go to select menu to number 9. Okay, so number 9 is 1 hour and 30 minutes for the dough, because we're making the pizza dough. Make sure you close it good, and then you press the start button, and it's gonna start mixing. You can open it a little to see. It's gonna start. I'm gonna close it because the flour, it's gonna the dust from it, like it's gonna make a mess. And as it needs, and you can add, if it needs more water, you can feel the dough, and you can add some lukewarm water inside. And after this, when it's finished, I'm gonna show you when it's done. You don't have to select loaf size, that's for bread. You don't have to select crust size. All you gotta select is the menu and the start and stop. Okay, so the dough is finished right now. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna leave it a little in here, and then I'm gonna take it out and let it sit for a couple of minutes. It's a bit soft because I didn't I supposed to put some more flour, like a half a cup of flour more. So it's a bit soft, but I'm gonna take it off, let it sit, and then I'm gonna put some flour and knead it up a little more and let it sit so it can get firm. And then I'm gonna put it on the pizza pan, spread it out on the pizza pan and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that also. And to take this out, you just hold this handle here and just wiggle it out like this. And you take it out, set it aside, and you take off your power. Okay, so this is it right here. You can take it out from here and put it on the counter and let it sit. You can cover it also. It's ready to go inside the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Alright, that's the finished pizza here. If you like this video, click like, share the video, leave any comments, questions, suggestion. give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos, share the video also, and I'll leave a link in the description below where I bought the bread maker, pizza dough maker. Thanks for watching.